In today's video, I'll teach you how to use Zangi app. So first of all, open the Zangi application. You can see over here Zangi application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the chats interface. Make sure to log into your account. So using the Zangi app is actually very simple. You can chat with the people. For that, you can simply tap on the chat of your choice. After you do that, you'll be able to send them the text. Likewise, you can also send the emojis, photos, audio, etc. Also, you'll be able to add more people. For that, what you can do is simply tap on the friends icon that you can see at bottom. After you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see your friends. You'll also be able to invite the friends to the Zangi over here. If you want to invite someone, tap on the invite option right next to that particular contact. Likewise, you'll also be able to search for the contact. Tap on the search icon that you can see at top. Now after you do that, you can simply enter the Zangi phone number. After you do that, you'll be able to see that contact over here. Simply tap on it and you'll be able to chat with them. Likewise, you can also call. For that, simply tap on the chat of your choice. After you do that, you'll be able to see the call icon at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and you'll be able to call them. You'll also be able to see your call history by tapping on the call icon that you can see at bottom. Likewise, you'll also be able to access the settings. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be able to access your profile settings. You'll be able to find various options over here. If you want to view your profile, what you have to do is tap on the profile name that you can see at top. Now after you do that, you'll be able to enter the bio. Also, you'll be able to share the Zangi number, change the password or sign out. Likewise, you'll also be able to access the Zangi Premium. Tap on the option Zangi Premium. Now you'll be able to see the plans over here. If you subscribe to Zangi Premium, you'll be able to get many more features. So simply tap on the option subscribe, follow through the prompts and you'll be able to do so. Likewise, you'll also be able to access other settings over here. So like this, you'll be able to use this app. So that is how you use Zangi app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.